Hello YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. As you see in the thumbnail title, I'm going for dinner ride. Wow, Defender G-Wagon, beautiful. Yeah, I'm going for dinner ride. So today it was my day off. I wake up around maybe 2 p.m. afternoon, and right now it's 8 going to be 8:40 p.m. So I feel hungry. So I decide to eat outside today. The restaurant I'm choosing, it's a cafe or restaurant, I don't know. The name is Good Burger in Medina Zaid in Abu Dhabi. The people who's living in Abu Dhabi, they know Medina Zaid. So I'm heading toward Medina Zaid, and the restaurant called Good Burger. Weather is getting normal now. If we compare the weather with the last week or two last week, it was pretty hot. But right now, I'm not sweating by riding the bike. I'm feeling normal. No hot air pressure anymore. Weather getting pretty good now, which is good thing for riders. So anyway, how's the last video I uploaded about the used bike? If you guys have any concern about that video, you can ask me guys or DM me. But priority is comment. Whatever you need, any information, just comment. Yeah. This one is, I think, Airport Street, if I'm not wrong. Always busy like this. Always busy. Always headache. Nice, nice, man. Beautiful. Oh, another one. I don't have any complaints. What to do? I'm tired about complaining. Did you hear the crackles? Alhamdulillah. We just reached on our destination. This is the restaurant Good Burger in Medina. They have good taste. Wow, my spot is empty. So this is the restaurant. I think we will sit inside. Alright boys, I just finished eating. I didn't record inside the restaurant because it was full of customer, full of families. I hardly found the empty table there, and it took me around almost 40 minutes there, or maybe more than 40 minutes. First I was looking for table, and then after table I order, and my order take almost 20 minutes. Actually, I went for there to enjoy the fried rice, but I changed my mind. Then I ordered the charcoal, grilled charcoal, chicken charcoal. We can say, and it was worth it. Changing my mind. I really enjoy eating that. क्या कर रहे हैं यार ये लोग? Oh, look at these guys. Oh, I am also distracted now. I have to take right from here. Oh, sorry, left from here. I got distracted. So, boys, everything done. I visited Ijaz Pro already, and withdraw some cash from the ATM. And now I'm heading toward my room. It's already 11 o'clock. I started this vlog around 10:30. Oh, sorry, around 8:30 p.m. So it's going to be 11:15 already. So this was my day off today. Yeah, I didn't go anywhere. Didn't do anything special. No riding with a friend or no other riding reels. Woo! Yes, this is the video this week I have to share with you guys. So until next video, stay tuned. There will be a lot of stuff now coming soon on my channel, guys. So stay tuned until then, until the next videos. Right now I will go to my home, my room. I will rest there, or maybe I will edit some short or real videos, I don't know. So Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Ride safe always. Wear helmet always. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.